Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure the Apple TV and the device that stores your photos share the same Apple ID and iCloud Photos is enabled. Once done, open Photos on your iPhone or Mac. That's where deletion actually happens. Use the Apple TV only to confirm visibility. You can't delete synced iCloud photos directly from tvOS. Now pick the photo or album you want removed and get ready to delete from the source device, so changes propagate. On your iPhone or Mac, open Photos and navigate to the image or album you want gone. Tap Select, choose Items, then tap Delete. This moves them to Recently Deleted. Make sure to open Recently Deleted and delete all, because items there still show in iCloud until permanently removed. Doing that forces faster sync to Apple TV. Also check that the device has a good internet connection. A weak link delays iCloud updates and keeps images appearing on the TV for longer. After permanently deleting on your device, go to Photos on Apple TV to confirm the image is gone. Give iCloud a few minutes to sync. If the photo still appears after 10 to 15 minutes, restart the Apple TV to refresh cached data. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in on the source device. Make sure iCloud Photos is still enabled and the device is online. Key tip: check Recently Deleted. If it's not emptied, Apple TV will continue to show the photo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.